Good morning everyone present here. My name is Jafar Ali Sheikh. I am here to represent a topic structure under the guidance of Sir Raj Upadhyay. Let us start the topic. What is structure? Structure is a user defined data type which stores different name under one variable. Each variable inside the structure is a member. The struct keyword is used to define a structure. This is the syntax of a structure, breaking it down to make the program easy. Struct keyword begins every structure declaration. Structure name, a meaningful name tag you can give to your structure. Members, variable of any data type. Semicolon is used at the end of the block. Example, student. This is a student structure, a practical example just to understand. So struct is a keyword here and student is a structure name and it contains information like roll, name and marks. So I have used int data type and character data type and float data type. So this is the program of structure based. So stdio.h is a header file which is used for input and output function. So struct is a keyword and student is a structure name and it have information like roll and marks. Inside the main function I have used one variable s1 which will declare the structure variable. So s1.roll and the use of dot is an operator. Dot is an operator which is used to store values or assign a value. s1.marks, so it will store marks in float as I have assigned here float, and it will print the roll number, and percentage %d is used for it will print the value in integer data type, and printf /n is for new line, and it will print the marks in float. Float is for decimal. Marks can be in decimal also. So return 0 will execute the program successfully. Return 0 is basically used to terminate the program, and it will. So let's compile and run. Let's execute this program. Execute, go to execute, compile and run. So program is successfully running. So you can see that roll is 1 and marks is 90.5. You can see here. Thank you. That's all from my side. If anyone have any question, you can ask. Yes.
What is the size of structure student you have defined?
As I have declared integer data type and character data type, integer have 4 bytes and character have also 4 bytes, so the structure will have 8 bytes.
Thank you. You are right.